Let's walk through the Cahaba floor plan together. Here in the kitchen, there will be some upgrades with the appliances and a tile backsplash. We'll pan into the open floor plan of the formal dining room, connecting to the living room. The nice large windows allow for plenty of natural light. The living room is connected to a nice sized study by way of a pocket door. The hallway leading to the bedroom has a half bath, a coat closet, and the stackable washer dryer. The bedroom also has high ceilings like the living room and would easily accommodate a queen or king size suite. The full bath will be getting some renovations as well. It does have a walk-in shower with a seat and a nice size walk-in closet.